Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Shio Tare. Shio means salt in Japanese, so this tare doesn't use soy sauce. It is a recipe that extracts umami from multiple salts and dry fruits. You can make Shio Ramen according to chicken broth or tonkotsu broth. We often use scallops when making Shio Tare. Succinic acid can be extracted from the scallops. In order to extract umami from dry fruits, it is necessary to soak it with water first. When soaking dry fruits, be sure to use water because umami is difficult to extract from alcohol or liquid with high salt like soy sauce. This time we use Himalayan Rock salt, Alpin Rock salt, Okinawa sea salt, and Akko sea salt. Because it contains a lot of umami, you can make delicious ramen even with low sodium. If you combine Shio Tare with chicken broth or tonkotsu broth, you can make Shio Ramen.